So I have been using this for a while, maybe 1.5 years. It's a support for your miter saw from Parkside. And they already have a newer one, but this is the PUG 1600 B2. It's a 2021 model. And I'm very happy about it. Can support your miter saw. How to set it up? You have to push this one, and then you can extend the leg. And we're also gonna do that with the other ones. As you can see, it's all dirty, but it has been used many times already. And you have a very stable support. So the arms with the rollers, you can pull them out, extend them. And this is about maximum length. There is a roller here which you can adjust in height and then lock it. And so here on my miter saw you see these brackets which you can attach to every miter saw with these bolts. These are not the correct bolts because I probably lost them. With these brackets you can easily put it on here and lock it. Easily to tighten it up. You can turn it until it's proper locked. I'm using the very old Einel miter saw. Soon there will become a Parkside for testing. And also this side you can extend like this. As you can see, I mounted it on the left side. You can play a little bit with that, of course, depending on what you're gonna use it for. But you can easily slide it in the middle, no problem. So the distance between the two rollers, this one and that one, is 1 meter and 65 centimeters. And the working height 85, and you cannot change the height. And there is one thing very important: make sure you lock these up proper. If you don't, I'll show you what can happen. It will fall off, so make sure you tighten them up into place, and then nothing will happen. So it's very strong. It supports up to 200 kilos, which means I easily can stand up here, no problem. So it's very strong. I'm gonna use it now. I'm gonna cut some pallet wood. For now, I hope you like this video. I made this video because I didn't film this item yet. So please give it a like if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos. And give a comment below. Thanks for watching.